Hey guys, it's Dave, HVAC guy, and I'm out in Shawnee, Lima, Ohio. So we're going to flip this around and you can see a condenser, outdoor condenser. If I can try to flip this thing around here. Yeah, I don't know. This is an outdoor condenser unit that was really dirty. There's a dryer vent on the other side, way over there. All the lint goes out here. So I took the fan out. It's over there. The Rude 10 seer, and it's costing money because I seen that this suction line was real iced up. It's probably low on the refrigerants, probably got a leak, and all this dirt on the outside don't help either. So I'm gonna clean this thing up, put it back together, recharge it. Probably got a hole in it though, so it's gonna leak out again. So if you have any problem with your air conditioner, call Dave, HVAC guy. And I'm at 419-937-6964. And I'll be happy to help you with your AC and furnace.